you can see my look and my jewelry. Today I'm doing Bulbul makeup, Bulbul inspired makeup. I hope you like this video. Then like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to never miss out my any update. So let's get started. At first I'm taking my primer, Mars 24K primer, just a tiny amount, and dot it all over my face and just dab it. I focus only on my T-zone because I have a very oily and sensitive and acne prone skin. In this film or in the picture, Bulbul makeup is very dewy, very skin like finish makeup, very subtle eye, just a blush pink lips and a kohl eyes bust, kajal kohl eyes bust, just a minimal look. And the main thing of her look is a big bindi on her forehead. So today I'm using a stick foundation. I don't know the brand name. This is a stick foundation. Today I'm using this, and I use a fluffy brush. This foundation shade is exact my skin tone. You can see, no extra layer, just like my skin tone. It matches my skin tone very well, and this is a very lightweight foundation, not a full coverage, just a low coverage foundation. You can see my spots. I use this also as a eye primer. And setting my makeup with my all-time favorite compact MAC Studio Fix. The name is invisible, you can't see MAC. Shade name is NC25. Under my eyes, my ear, also on my neck and all over my face. You can see my skin is like a skin, not a very full coverage layer on my face. My skin look like a skin, not a heavy makeup wala skin. I don't think she used any kind of blush on or any kind of contour, because her skin tone in this movie or pictures her skin tone is look very dark. But I use some kind of bronzing in my face, so I use this, just a little bit. Very natural bronzing, you can't even see. Most important in my face, jawline. I don't think she used any blush, so I don't use any blush. But I use a highlighter, this is Swiss Beauty highlighter, and I'm taking a damp beauty blender and use this golden shade. Very subtle, I'm not using it too much. And I think her eyes is just a kajal, coal smudged eye. So for my eyes I use this also. This is my favorite shade. I just take just a little amount and I put all over my eyelid just for a shadow. And also on my lower lash line. Next I'm using Maybelline Nudes palette. I'm taking this dark brown shade just to intensify my outer corner. Just on my outer corner. And also blending with this brush. Just use this brown shades just to intensify my outer corner, because this is darker than my skin tone. Just on my outer corner. I'm blending with this brush. Now I'm using Colossal Kajal. I just put on my close on my lash line. Just a one line. Just a one line. And I use the sponge side of this brush. And I take some mix of brown and black. Just a little amount. That's it for the eyes. Next I'm using the Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline. Because you know I like volume mascara rather than a lengthening mascara. That is it for the eyes. Next for the lips. Her lips is just a blush pink lips. Just a color on her lips. Nothing on her lips barely. So I just use nothing on the lipstick. Just Lotus. Shade name is 600 Rough Allure or Allure, I don't know. This is a very neutral pink. When I smudged it with my finger. For my eyebrow, I use Music Flower Longwear Gel Liner. This is the brown gel liner I use the flat brush. At first, I just comb everything. Take a little amount. I just do nothing in my eyebrow because I have already a fuller eyebrow, so I don't do anything with my eyebrow. In Bulbul's inspired makeup, the main thing in her makeup I thought was the bindi, the big red bindi. So I am also trying the bindi. I'm using a red lipstick and I am trying doing it. I hope it looks good on me as well. Hope it looks good and I draw it a very good and proper circle. I think it looked like a circle on a bindi. So this is my final look. Fully I have the same sari but in different color. I wear the jewelry and the earring and this, I don't know what it's called. General, I have a wavy hair, so I don't do anything because I don't have any crimper or any hair tool. So I just let it be. That's it for the today's video. I hope you like this video. Then like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to never miss out my any update, and also follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye.